In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to export a project code on Lovable. By the end, you'll know two reliable ways to get your code: downloading individual files right from the editor, or exporting the entire project as a zip through GitHub. Start by opening Lovable in your browser and signing in. From the dashboard, head to My Projects. This is where all your apps live. Find and select the project you want to export. If you have a lot of projects, take a second to confirm you're opening the correct one to avoid downloading the wrong files. Once your project is open, look for the code icon at the top that looks like angle brackets. Click that to switch into the code view. This is perfect when you only need a few files rather than the whole repository. In the file list, click the file you want to save to your computer. With the file open in the editor, use the download icon in the top right corner to grab that single file. Your browser will save it locally, so choose a clear folder on your machine to keep things organized. If you need multiple files, repeat this process for each one. When you're finished, click the globe icon at the top to return to the web app preview. This takes you back to the main project view where you can manage other export options. If you want the entire project, the fastest route is through GitHub. From the project view, connect your GitHub account. Lovable will guide you through authorization. Pick the right account or organization and confirm the repository settings as needed. This connection allows Lovable to sync your project code to a GitHub repository so you can export everything in one go. After the sync, open the repository on GitHub. On the repository page, click the code button near the top. In the drop-down, choose Download Zip. GitHub will package the whole repository and download it to your computer. Keep in mind that a zip gives you the full code base as it exists in the repo, but it won't include environment variables, secrets, or database contents. Those live outside the code and need to be configured separately when you set up locally. If the download seems large, give it a moment to complete before unzipping. Quick recap. Open Lovable, go to My Projects, select your project, and use the code icon to view and download individual files. Click the globe to return to the preview. For the full project, connect to GitHub, open the synced repository, click code, and choose Download Zip. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.